I'm not real. But everything about me was built step by step in this workflow, from my look to how I move and speak. And in this video, you'll learn exactly how.
In today's video, we're going to build a full AI UGC model workflow. This is a real workflow inside Weavy AI, and by the end of this video, you'll understand exactly how to go from a nothing to a realistic AI UGC Instagram model. We're building it using a node-based system, and every single step you see here will be shared with you so you can reuse it. Weavy is a node-based AI system. That means you don't just type prompts randomly, you build workflows. Inside Weavy, you're not limited to a fixed set of tools. You get a full toolbox: image, video, text, models. You choose what appears on the left panel. Everything connects through nodes. LLMs are part of the system, plugged directly into your workflow. No rigid pipeline, no locked structure. You build the stack. Weavy just gives you the canvas. So instead of juggling 10 different tools, you can do all inside one workflow. This workflow starts with an input prompt and a system prompt. Let's start with the input prompt. Input prompt defines the core information the AI works with. The input prompt is where you give the AI the facts and context for a single workflow run. These are the core characteristics everything else is built on. In this workflow, the input prompt includes things like gender, age, skin tone, and hair. You can change these values between runs, but within one generation, they act as the reference point for the entire system. That's why the input prompt should stay short, clear, and noise-free. The second prompt is the instruction prompt, also known as the system prompt. System prompt defines who the AI is and how it should behave. Large language models don't strictly need this level of structure, but if you want consistent, usable output, you absolutely need it. Without a proper system prompt, the LLM hallucinates, overwrites constraints, and produces unusable text prompts. The system prompt is generated, of course, but we're still going to go through it. This instruction prompt has 8 parts. First one is role. Role answers one question. What job is the AI doing for us? Example: you are a professional UGC AI casting director. Second one is goal. What do we want the AI to produce? Example: generate one realistic female UGC creator. Next are core requirements. They define what the AI must do. These rules apply everywhere in the prompt. They keep the result focused. Next are constraints. They define what the AI cannot do. This is where you block unwanted changes, randomness, and unrealistic output. Next are instructions. They define the actual content. We split them into 3 parts: physical profile, what the person physically is; visual style, how the person is presented; environment and framing, where and how the scene is built. Rules control behavior. No essays, no made-up details, no extra creativity. Task defines what the AI must output. For example, a physical description, an image-ready prompt. The final one is output format. It defines how the result is structured. Now we connect everything. You have multiple large language models: Cloud, Gemini, GPT, and others. For this workflow, I use ChatGPT-4. We connect input prompt and system prompt into the LLM node, and when we run it, we get exactly what we need: model, physical profile, and image prompt base. And this is the foundation for the rest of the workflow. Now we generate the image. There are many text-to-photo options in Weavy, but if you want an image that looks like it was shot on a phone, we use Higgsfield. On the right side, you can adjust resolution, style, style strength, prompt enhancement. You can run the model multiple times. In my case, I generated several images and selected the one that looked most natural and realistic. So next part is upscaling. Again, you have a lot of options for upscaling in Weavy. You connect the nodes, adjust resolution, creativity level, enhancement mode, skin texture level for each tool you choose. For this use case, last one gave the most realistic face and skin. Now we animate the model. We go from image to video. Weavy offers many image-to-video generators, and we will use VEO3. Because VEO3 produces perfect lip sync, we connect the upscaled image and a prompt. This prompt defines exactly what the model should say in the final video. Then we run the model, and we get a realistic talking AI UGC video. And that's the full workflow. Thank you for watching. The entire workflow is available under this video in the description.